Hi students, how are you? I think everyone is enjoying these holidays with your families and everyone is safe. Here, as you know that we are going to discuss the civics subject. So, civics is also called as the political science. Political science. Here, political science or civics is not a new subject to you. Already you have learned few concepts in your lower classes at various levels, different concepts of political science. But at this intermediate level, what you have been learned, all those concepts are put in a proper order to make you understand, to know you the concepts broadly and properly. Here, if we see the subject of political science for your intermediate first year level, there are 12 chapters are there. There are 12 chapters are there, like Introduction to Political Science, Introduction to Political Science, Constitution, State, Democracy, Government, etc. These are the topic names. So, from today onwards, we are going to discuss the first chapter, that is Introduction to Political Science. Try to understand them, listen slowly, and we will continue our classes. In our political science, the first one is the Introduction to Political Science. First one is the Introduction to Political Science. So, first we try to understand the concept of political science. What is political science? For that understanding purpose, we first start with the human beings, with the word of human beings. Who are human beings? We are all human beings. You know that. So, human beings are never want to live in isolation. In isolation. What is the meaning of isolation? Isolation means alone. Human beings never want to live alone, because every human being is depend on other human being for their needs, and necessities, So, to fulfill their needs and necessities, every human being is going to form into the groups. It is important aspect. I think you have understood. Here, human beings never live in isolation or alone, because every human being have to fulfill their needs and necessities. For fulfilling of their needs and necessities, generally every human being is going to form into the groups. Whenever such groups are going to form, generally there is a chance of cooperation among the people, or there is a chance of compromise. There is a chance of compromise. Or there is a chance of conflicts or disputes among these human beings. So, the human beings only to solve their conflicts, to give the solutions to the conflicts, they have been formed one organ that is nothing but called as the state. In this way, we can understand that when human beings are forming into the groups, then there is a chance of cooperation, compromise and conflicts among the groups. So, to solve such conflicts, human beings have been prepared the rules and regulations under the organ called as the state. Such organ, state, is nothing but calling as the politics. That is nothing but calling as the politics. What is the subject which is going to be study about the politics is nothing but calling as the political science. Is nothing but calling as the political science. In this way, political science is a subject that is going to study about the politics or the state, which is one organ that was prepared by the human beings with the instructions and conflict resolution organs. This is the basic aspect of the political science. In this way, political science is a subject that is going to study about the politics or organs of the state that may be solve the conflicts of the people, that is having a setup of instruments of instructions. This is all about the introduction part of the political science. In our next class, we will continue this topic. Try to listen carefully and understanding the topic by listening slowly and with concentration. Thank you.